Hello, I'm going to make a quick video here to show people the awesome oscillator giveaway bonus, which I have right here. This is an EA I give away with my original strategy tester assistant, or any purchase of the original strategy tester assistant. For a mere $10, you will get a free bonus of the awesome oscillator giveaway bonus. I will explain to you a little bit how it works. Here we have the awesome oscillator loaded up on the chart. And basically what I have programmed this EA to do is buy every certain number of candles when the color is blue and sell every certain number of candles when the color is red. But that's not all. It also has to be above the T line. So here are the few settings that are there. The font setting, that's just the size of the display once it starts up. The profit variable is how much profit you want the EA to take. Balance, it's a percentage of your balance. The lot size multiplier, that figures into the martingaling that it does, and to figure out lot size. Lot size visor and divisor also figures into lot size calculation. The trigger candle is how many candles before it looks for an entry. So in this case the default is 8 candles. So every 8 candles it'll see if an entry is possible. And the T line is just the moving average that you set. That well, anyway, you can change that. So here we go. I got it on a 5-minute chart. I'm going to go for a month. We are July now, but I'm going to use June, May to June, the month of May to June as a test. Here we go. So you can turn this on or off to take profit. I will turn it on because I want it to automatically take profit, and I will just let the video run. I got some basic features with this awesome oscillator giveaway that are also included in the original strategy tester assistant, which I have loaded up. I'm going to let this run. I'll show you the original strategy tester assistant. So here's the original strategy tester assistant that I have loaded up, and some of the things you can do with that this is for working out manual strategies. It's for manually backtesting things in the strategy tester assistant, which is supplied in the MT4 trading platform. So I'm going to turn off this per candle feature. I'm going to advance candle. So what you can do with this is you can buy and sell and also set your take profit level as you would as if you were live trading, except it's 100,000 times faster. It's in the simulator, so you can go as fast as slow as you want. You can do it when the market's not. You can practice when the market's not moving. You can practice on weekends. It's just a wonderful thing. Since I developed this thing, my trading's got 1,000% better. Okay, so yeah, that's what you can do. You can just buy and sell at will in the strategy tester, and it'll take profit. You got the per candle feature if you want to slow things down, take a good look at the chart. You have the speed control, which comes in very handy, especially on the lower time frames. So the speed of the tester, I should mention, is very dependent on how good your computer is. In the lower time frames, like the 1 minute and the 5 minute, sometimes, as you know, the strategy tester will fly by really quickly. So you would use the speed control to slow things down. So you got different speeds that you can adjust here, and you got the on-off feature of it all. Also, you have the delete all objects, because the more objects you have on the strategy tester during the test, the slower it can get. So for really lengthy tests, it's good to delete all objects just to clear the page up a bit. You can of course change your lot sizes on the fly. If you don't want it to automatically take profit, you can turn that off and just let your trades run for a while. Use the speed control, and then if you want, just close your order manually. Over here you have how many well, the averages, average lots to close, average orders to close, average daily profit, and your account balance. So that in a nutshell is the original Strategy Tester Assistant, and I charge 10 bucks for this, but the purpose of this video is to show you the awesome oscillator giveaway. So I've written hundreds, if not thousands, of expert advisors. Very simple ones to extremely complicated ones. And it's really hit and miss depending on market conditions as to how well the expert advisor is going to do. That's why I don't really recommend using an expert advisor on a live chart with money that you can't afford to lose, because the market seems to have a way of finding your money and taking it away from you. Usually, you know, when something unexpected happens and you're away from your computer. But they're fun to use. This one seems pretty good, and you can use it for, I use it for entering contests. I've won a couple of contests with my EAs. not a lot of money, a few $100, $1,000 a month. But you know, gets you started. If you don't want to invest real money in a real account, then enter a few contests. Maybe you'll win, maybe you won't. But playing the game is the fun part. And one of the wonderful things about playing in the Strategy Tester is you get to see the charts. You really train your brain to recognize different patterns. You can put different indicators on there. You know, if the Bollinger Bands is the indicator you want to use, and throw one on there. You know, see how the chart looks. If you like Ichimoku, you know, throw that on there. You know, just to see how your chart looks. See how the EA reacts on different charts. The more you look at the charts, as I said, the better you're going to train yourself to recognize money-making opportunities when they arise. I'll just clear this up a bit. And lower that there. And you can also see the average orders to close here is about 20. I like to keep it around 20. If it gets up to, or if it gets below, if it gets to 30 or something, you might want to increase the lot size a bit just to see if you can get the orders to close down. You don't want to have too many orders open. So our average daily profit, 92.51 in this particular test. So it's not bad, almost $100 a day. So I'm going to let this run, pause the video for a while, and we'll come back at the end of the month and I'll show you the results of what happened. I'll just pause it for a second and we can take a look at the graph. Okay, back in a flash. Okay, so I'm back. Just a little bit of time left. We're up to $112 a day. 22 average of 22 orders before close. Average lots 4. So it looks like we're going to get through the month of trading here, which is pretty good. So if you're interested in getting a copy of the Awesome Oscillator giveaway bonus, you can make your way to my little website, zebforex.ca. And there you can watch a few more of my videos, talk about that product, and you can purchase if you want. And you can leave me comments or get a free demo that'll work on the Great Britain Pound USD. I'll just wait till this finishes up, and then I will go for the report. Just going to pause that and take a look at the graph. It's going okay. Had a good drawdown. So like I said, I've been doing this for about 6 or 7 years now. When I first got into trading, I wanted to practice my manual trading. Well, the first thing I did when I heard about Forex was buy a whole bunch of robots and learn the hard way that they don't always work. They work most of the time, or sometimes, but they'll always meet, the market will always do something that the expert advisor or robot is not ready for, and you could have bad consequences. So I think the best strategy is to come up with your own strategy and to practice it religiously and not to deviate from it. Find something that works for you and stick with it. Anyway, that's what I'm doing now anyway. So to the point, when I decided that I wanted to practice my manual trading, there was nothing out there at a reasonable price to do simulated trading. So I learned to program MT4, MQL language, and wrote all this stuff myself. And that was a process in itself. You learn a lot about trading, writing all this code about robots. So that's kind of the evolution of the Strategy Tester Assistant and why it's out there and why I'm offering it to other traders now. Because, you know, I don't charge a lot for it because frankly I don't really need any cash, but I wanted to offer it to people so that they could train themselves and come up with their entry so they could have some success at Forex. And okay, so there's the end of that. We got through our month. We'll look at our report. I'll just call that AO. So 28% drawdown for the month. Made almost $3 grand. So it might not win you a contest, but that's only one chart. I mean, you drop that on 4 or 5 charts, and you possibly could win a contest or two. But whether you win the contest or not, just the fact that you're playing with these every day will improve your trading. All right, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Happy trading.